Hello guys, again this is EJ and welcome back to my channel. This is just a simple review of bass shoes, dongle or splitter. The material is TPE plus aluminum. TPE means thermoplastic elastomer. So meaning parang plastic na rubber siya. Sadly, 1 ampere lang ang maximum na capacity ng charging port niya. Ang technology niya is sandblasting, oxidation, and laser carving. The problem with this is mas mahina yung volume niya compared to the original Mi A2 dongle. And lalong mas mahina kapag sabay siya naka-charge. Ayun lang guys, sana nakatulong, and please like my video if you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, also hit the bell icon para makareceive kayo ng notification kapag nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Thank you and goodbye.